In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided on Google Slides, a handy trick that can save you paper while giving your presentation a professional touch. The way you achieve this might vary depending on the type of printer you have, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the general steps to get this done seamlessly. To begin with, let's open up your Google Slides presentation. What you'll want to do first is navigate to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, look for Print Settings and Preview. This is where you have the opportunity to adjust how your slides will appear on paper. Depending on your needs, you might want to change the layout settings. For instance, consider how many slides you'd like on each page. Decide whether you prefer a portrait or a landscape orientation. Once you're satisfied with these adjustments, proceed by clicking the Print button. This action will usually trigger a print dialog box to open, which typically appears from your web browser. Here, take a close look at the settings available. You'll need to click on More Settings, although in some browsers it might appear as Advanced. Now this is where you'll need to pay attention to your printer's capabilities. You should look for an option labeled Two-Sided, Print on Both Sides, or Duplex. If your printer has this function, go ahead and enable it. Another decision you'll need to make at this point is how the pages should flip. If you're after a traditional book feel, choose long edge. If you're more inclined towards a notepad style, then go for short edge. In some cases, you might find that these settings aren't available directly through the browser interface. If that's the situation you're in, there's an alternative route you can take. Try downloading your slides as a PDF. Simply go back to Google Slides, navigate to File once again, but this time click on Download, followed by PDF Document. Once your file is saved, open it in a PDF viewer, like Adobe Acrobat for instance. Here, you'll want to find the print settings and, similar to the browser dialog, enable the duplex printing option in your printer's settings. Before you finalize everything, double-check that the two-sided or double-sided feature is indeed selected. Once you're sure everything is set up correctly, click Print and allow your printer to do its job. And there you have it. Your double-sided Google Slides presentation is ready. With these steps, you should be able to print efficiently and make the most out of your resources. Happy printing!